Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Double Take UTV Rearview Mirror Kit. So we all know that when it comes to side-by-sides, there are a ton of aftermarket parts and accessories that you can put on these things. But if you were to ask us what are some of our must-haves, well, one of them is actually going to be a rear view mirror. And they're great for a couple reasons. First, if you're in a group ride, it makes it easy to keep track of the riders that are behind you. If you're in a four-seater, you can easily see the passengers that are behind you. And what I like it for is actually backing up. You don't realize how much you use or how much you need a rear view mirror until you try and back up a machine without one. So definitely for me, worth the investment. Now we have a lot of different rear view mirrors that we offer at Rocky Mountain, but there's a couple of features about this one from Double Take that we really like. So first up is just the construction. We've actually been using Double Take mirrors for years on our UTVs as well as our adventure bikes. They are extremely durable. They actually have a Zytel casing on the outside, which is unbreakable. So it's super strong, but also I really like the ram mount that comes included with this. So it's a 2-inch ram mount. The reason that we like it so much, it's easy to adjust. You just have a knob on the back that you tighten down to hold the mirror secure, but it's easy to adjust, but it still stays secure even when you're doing some aggressive riding. So if another passenger or somebody else hops in the driver's seat, it's easy for them to adjust as well. And something that I noticed when I put this on is even when you're riding fast, very little vibration. So when you're looking through it, you're still gonna have a clear view of what's going on behind you. And what's cool too is the adaptability. It's gonna work with pretty much any roof that you mount this up to. It's just gonna go right to your roll cage. So the mount itself is gonna work from a 1-inch up to a 2.1-inch roll cage. So you do have adjustability there. A couple different hose clamps come included as well. That way, depending on the size of your roll cage, it's gonna be really easy to mount. But again, if you don't have a rear view mirror on your side-by-side, definitely an item that we would recommend having. Again, it's not something you realize that you need until you go on a machine that doesn't have one. If you have any other questions or comments about this mirror from Double Take, well, leave your questions or comments below. We'll get those answered. And to pick yours up, you can just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight, we got a lot more just like it, so make sure to get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that way you don't miss out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.